Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how I do my fit-in braids with extensions. So I'm gonna use the Expression extension in the color 30. I'm gonna be using a comb, a slicking brush, Shea Moisture Smoothie, my Eco Styler gel, a fixing mousse by Tresemme and a fixating spray by Nexus. I'm gonna start by cutting the extension hair in half because they're way too long. Then I'm gonna part my hair. And on the part that I'm gonna start, I'm gonna add my moisturizer, which is my Shea Moisture Smoothie. Once I moisturize my hair, I'm gonna add a gel and I'm gonna slick my hair down with a brush to make sure that my braids are completely flat and I don't have any tangles in my hair. Now we're gonna start braiding, and I used 7 medium-sized pieces of extension for each braid. Now take the extension piece and insert it in between 2 of the 3 strands of your braid and keep on braiding, and do the same after maybe you did 2 or 3 kind of knot braids. Now if it's too difficult for you by the explanation I'm giving, you're gonna have basically 5 minutes of showing in the video so you can see how I did it. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna apply the fix setting mousse, and then I'm gonna make sure to wrap my hair with my satin head wrap. And then I'm gonna just put some water to boil to fix the end and make sure to seal my braids. Then once I've sealed my braids with the hot water, I'm simply gonna add some hair jewelry. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.